Good morning. Good afternoon. I'm for those who watch and listens to my video. I just finished making the chicks new home. No, I'd rather call it a home than a cage because this morning when I went out and I go to store to buy chicks feeds, the starter, no, chick starter. When I got home, four of my chicks escaped from the planggana, from the pail. I don't know the English of palanggana. And then so I'm afraid maybe that's chicks escaping from the cage is a warning, no, and I don't want to lose even a single chick. So I dig the soil in front of my house. As I live in a slope area, a slope area at least 35 to 40 degrees. So what I did, I just dig the soil for their new home. Yan. That's it. I dig the soil deep enough for the mother hen, and then put a fence, in front, and then as rope I just put fish net. I just cover na lang if it rains. I am lucky with the result because with this kind of home, chicks receive sunlight. See, they receive sunlight, so I'm happy with the result. Maybe I just make a bigger and wider, longer or wider house for them. That's all. I'm sorry for my English. I'm not fluent in English. I'm a Filipino living in mountain of Olongapo. I just want to flex my chicks, no. I watch many videos in YouTube regarding with taking care of chickens. So I too dreamed of showing my activities, how I take care of chicken. I love chicken. Actually, to all watching and listening, not only in the Philippines but across the world, I am thank you for giving your time. Merry Christmas to all of us, to all of you again, and thank you. Thank you all. Thanks to you all. Bye bye.